Dito ako eh. Naka-live. Naka-live. Tatlo silang Juan, uy!
First of all, I never wear the crown in my life. This is the first time I will tell you, I was given a paper earlier, and Ada told me write your name on it. And then she said, write more. And then it was write more, and then I have written 5 total. I never thought what it was. I thought it would be like picking something and you will receive a gift. I never thought it would be for me, Santa. Maybe what you get is what I have written earlier. It's me. I am so grateful. Thank you for the thought. It's so funny to having a crown and to standing here. I don't have a motto for tonight, but I enjoyed so much.